What's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here with another video for you. Today, I want to show you how to make money online here in 2019, guaranteed by modeling other successful YouTube videos. If you're excited for this video, go ahead and give me a like. Go ahead and subscribe and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them, because this channel is all about helping you live a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So with that said, we're here on the homepage of my YouTube channel in the video section, and you can see a list of videos that have been fairly successful over the past few years. And I'm not reinventing the wheel here. I'm just taking videos out there that are already successful and modeling their success. Sometimes I'll tweak the title just a little bit, but the framework of the video very much stays the same. I'll change the information of the video, but once again, the framework and the outline very much stays the same. So let's go ahead, let's show you the results that I've gotten from modeling videos, and then I'll show you some examples of videos I modeled, and then we're going to get into how you can do the same thing step by step here in this video. So first of all, let's go to my Stripe account. This is how I process my transactions in my business. I use mostly the affiliate marketing business model. Yes, I also sell my own products, but most of my income does come from selling other people's products online as an affiliate. So you can see year to date, I've done $189,000, almost $190,000 in profit, because I've leveraged video marketing. Video marketing is free. You don't have to worry about paying any money for advertising. Yes, if you don't have a laptop or a desktop computer, that may be something that you will need to purchase, but most homes have access, or most people have access to a computer or a laptop. So 99% of you guys can do this. So you guys can see the proof right here. If I go all time, I'm just going to click all time. Since I've been doing this for the past 5 years, I've had this specific account since May 1st, 2018. You can see $242,000, almost $243,000 in profit. In the past year in total, when you take selling my own products, selling affiliate products, according to my personal capital account, this is where I keep track of my credit cards, my bank statements, money that goes in, money that goes out. This is kind of a one-stop shop for all my finances. You guys can see that $287,000 has been produced this year. That's nearly $60,000 of profit per month using and leveraging this specific formula and YouTube. So let me show you some proof of some videos that I've modeled, and then show you how you guys can do this too as well. So here's an example video. I was actually just looking around on YouTube for ideas of videos that I can model in my niche. So what I tend to do is I start off just by typing in like how to make money online, because my niche is helping people build wealth and generate an income online. So what I did is I typed a bunch of different keyword phrases or search phrases in the search bar here, and I would pretty much just brainstorm different search results, and then look at the titles, and then look at the view counts of the videos. So let me do this real quickly. Let me actually just type in a general keyword like how to make money online. And so what I'll do is I'll look at the results, and I'll look at the view counts of these results. So this one right here says best way to make money online as a broke beginner, 91,000 views within 5 days. This one was 330,000 views in 2 months. This one is 41,000 views in 2 months. So anything I would say over 10,000 views in a matter of 1 to 2 months is a great video that you should model off of. And so what I did is I found this video that was based around how to make money with Fortnite. And so what did I do roughly a year ago is I modeled that exact video, which was this video right here. How to make $300 a day by watching people play Fortnite with proof. And this got 192,000 views. So I'm like, okay, this is based around how to make money with Fortnite. I'm going to watch the video. I'm going to consume the content, and then I'm going to model what the content is talking about. So what I did is I went out and I created this video about how to make money, once again, watching Fortnite videos. But I tweaked it a little bit. I put how to make $100 to $1,000 a day watching Fortnite videos. Not only did this do more than 192,000 views. It did 222,000 views. and allowed me to earn some AdSense revenue along the way. So once you get a certain amount of subscribers and you have a certain amount of views in a certain amount of time, you can apply to what's called the YouTube Partners Program. What this program allows you to do is put ads on your videos that play before, during, or after your video. And when somebody consumes those ads for 30 seconds or more, you actually get paid. And so this video actually did pretty well for me. It made a few $100s just by one single video, one single upload, and about 1 to 2 hours of work. And of course, a little bit of research in the process, finding a video that has a lot of views and then simply modeling it. So that's one example. Another example was best way to make money online as a broke beginner. You can see 330,000 views right here, 91,000 views right here. And then I have 19,000 views within 3 weeks. So again, I'm modeling what's already working out there. You can either copy the exact title or you can model the title. So this is another example where I pretty much copied the exact title, and I even copied the content within Franklin's video right here. Why did I do that? Because I've actually done this myself. I've implemented the method in the video, so I'm not like copying his content just by copying his content. Yes, I did that in the previous Fortnite video just to test this theory to see if modeling these videos actually worked. And it does. So what I did in this video is first show the proof that this method worked because I implemented it myself. And then I walked them through the same tutorial that Franklin walked them through. Okay. In the next video is about ClickBank for beginners. I knew that this subject and this search term was very, very popular. I mean, look, 673,000 views here, 116,000 views here, 45,000, 67,000. Mine's got 139,000 views. This time I modeled the title of the most popular video right here. So I took ClickBank for beginners, which was my primary search term I wanted to rank for, and I added my own little twist to it. So it was ClickBank for beginners 2019, how to make a consistent $10,000 per month. The next video, how to make $300 per day with automated websites. Modeled this video right here, 213,000 views. Mine didn't get 213,000 views, but it still got 89,000 views. And I put my little spin on it. I took what this video, I felt that this video could do better, and I added that into my video. That's where it says not Flippa, because this video talks about Flippa. So I'm modeling some videos, I'm adding my own taste to other videos, and I'm doing the complete opposite of what some videos are doing to really just be polarizing and attract more views to my channel and my videos. The last one right here, the truth about affiliate marketing. I modeled ODI Productions right here, the truth about affiliate marketing 2017, 277,000 views. Of course, mine didn't produce 277,000, but 19,000 views is better than nothing. So this is something that you can do in any niche whatsoever. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. Just start searching for general search terms around the niche that you want to go into, maybe around a topic that you're really passionate about. Maybe you don't know a whole lot about that topic. I would recommend going through a few videos around a specific subject, embody the teachings within those videos, implement the teachings from those videos, get proof, and then show people exactly how you got that social proof, modeling the same video that you went through. It's very, very simple and easy to do. So let's pick just weight loss, for example. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in weight loss right here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scroll down here. You can see this one has 2.2 million views. Wow, this is pretty incredible. 120,000 views. 612,000 views. Let's see, 1.3 million views, 29,000 views. So let's look at one that we can model. For example, some will take longer than others, like this chick right here. She's got six-pack abs, how I got my abs. So you'll want to watch this video, consume it, go implement the teachings in this video. It does have a 97% approval rate, which means it's a pretty good quality video. If you want to find out the approval rates of different videos, you can download a tool called TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Those are the two tools that I use to just model videos, find out how they're ranking, how they're getting views, and overall improve views and exposure to my channel. So again, that's vidIQ. I'll type it up here, vidiq.com. Okay, and then there's also TubeBuddy.com. If you want access to the same plugin that you're seeing on the right-hand side here, you want to go to the vidIQ plugin. You can type that in the search bar. It'll show up in the search results in Google. And you can also type in the TubeBuddy plugin. Okay, and you can download that for Chrome as well. So what we'll do is we'll just click on this video here, and we would consume the content in its entirety. We would see if it's something that we would be willing to implement, make sure the video's of quality, the information is of quality, and then we'll be a practitioner of the teachings within this video. There's so many videos out there that are just copying, just blatantly copying other videos. And so you see these glorified experts or these wannabe experts that aren't really experts out there. So I encourage you to actually consume, embody the content, like I said, and be a practitioner. So what we're going to do is we would write down this exact title right here. So you could put your name right here, whatever your name is, right? Renee's got her name right here. And then what I eat in a day. And I'd use her exact hashtags too as well. And the way that you get these hashtags to show up is when you're creating your description of your video, you plug them into the description. And then what you can do with vidIQ is you can copy all the video tags right here. So what I would do is I would model or even copy the title. I would copy the video tags. And then in the description of the video, I would make sure that I have the title of the video in the description, and then just simply give a summary of what the video is about. And then somewhere throughout the description, you'll be able to see her hashtags, which are right here. And then we would just simply model those hashtags in our description as well. And then what we can even do is take it a step further and promote a weight loss product in the description of our video. So maybe we create a video that kind of pre-frames people for a specific product that we're trying to promote. Maybe we can go to clickbank.com. We can pick out a digital product. If you're not familiar with clickbank.com and how to promote ClickBank products, I will provide a link in the description that shows you how to do that. And so you would just rinse and repeat in any particular niche, this whole entire process. And you can even hire somebody else to create the videos and create voiceovers for the videos. I've actually got a ClickBank video, once again, that shows you how to do that in the description below. So with that said, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you wanna learn how to build an online business from complete scratch, selling other people's products, check out the resources section below, my top recommended system, and you can get started today and start potentially making money as soon as your next 24 hours if you implement my teachings and my trainings as soon as you join. With that said, this is Josh Elder signing off. Like, comment, subscribe, tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.